Okay, those were just my pink rainbow ice cream cones that I placed in my muffin tin. I'm gonna move that slightly to the side and bring in my large bowl and my whisk. In my bowl, I'm gonna add my melted strawberry ice cream. I just put this in the fridge overnight so that it would completely melt. Oh my gosh, it has those delicious strawberry chunks in there. This is gonna be so good. Now with our ice cream, we're gonna add our strawberry cake mix. Now you can use whatever ice cream and whatever cake mix you like, but you need to use 1 pint of ice cream and 1 box of cake mix for this recipe. It's that easy. You don't need any eggs, water, or oil. And we're gonna grab our whisk and start mixing this together. We're gonna get the most delicious strawberry cake, and it's gonna have extra strawberry flavor, and it's gonna be so fun and so delicious. Now this is gonna be a thicker batter, and if you want it a little bit more thin, you can add an egg, but I don't have any eggs, so I'm just doing it as is, and it's gonna come out completely fine. All right, this is how our batter should look. I did have to switch to a spatula to get it perfectly mixed, but that is beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and bring back our muffin tin. And now we are gonna scoop our strawberry cake batter into our ice cream cones. This should take about 2 scoops each. I'm just using my little cookie scoop so that I don't overfill these. But once it's like that, it should be perfect. And let's go ahead and get them all filled up. Ooh, the batter smells so good. All right, these look perfect. Now we're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, so I did take these out of the oven and I let them cool completely. It is time to frost these. All right, so I just put my strawberry frosting in a piping bag with a piping tip, and we are gonna make these extra cute with that piping tip so that they look like little ice cream cones.
They look awesome.
Look how cute that is. This might be easier just to grab them and pipe them, just like that. But just make it look like a little soft serve ice cream. And then you have the cutest treat. All right, now I made these for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna just decorate them a little bit with some festive sprinkles. And we're just gonna do a light sprinkle over sprinkles. How cute are those?
Oh, they're so cute and they smell delicious.
Oh yeah, and we're not even done yet. I have one more thing I'm gonna add. Some heart sprinkles.
Ooh.
This is really what's gonna perfect them. Don't those just scream at Valentine's Day?
If I got these from you on Valentine's Day, I would marry you.
That's how I got you in the first place, right?
True.
All done. Look how fun, the cutest little Valentine's Day treats. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Let's put it on our cute little plate, and let's cut this in half.
Right down the middle.
Oh, look at that. That strawberry right there, that's not raw dough, okay? Time to give this a try. This is strawberry from the ice cream. It's gonna be so good. Perfect.